Canes, but also in and out over there. Behind me. Right there. Weekend. Yikes. Went to the grocery store last night. People are crazy. They need milk and eggs. It's just snow, not the apocalypse. But yeah, whoa. It's a beautiful day. It's cold, be snowy later. But walking in to class. Campus one more time before Snowmageddon comes. Also, being aware of my surroundings. On campus before Snowmageddon, got some MTSU milk, bro. It's nice right now. But will it be in a minute? Or later on tonight? Stay tuned. How you guys doing? How's your snow day going? It's gonna snow today, and it's gonna probably melt tomorrow. Who knows? Snowing, boy. It is straight ice out here. Whoa. Straight ice out here, you guys. Oh my gosh. It's a little snowy and dark over here, but whoa, we out in the snow. You hear that crunch? It's gonna be a good one. Yikes. Stay warm, you guys, unless you want to go outside and freeze. A tree fell in my backyard. And there's icicles growing on the trees. And it's raining. I don't know if you can see what I'm seeing, but it's like I walk across and it's like there's water moving under my feet, but I'm on the driveway, which is kind of crazy. Oh, and there's ice there.